Ever wondered what makes someone so irresistibly drawn to another? Here's the secret formula to captivate his heart forever. 1. The power of genuine confidence. How does genuine confidence make you absolutely magnetic? Authentic confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in. When you genuinely believe in yourself, it shows in your body language, your smile, and your words. To build this kind of confidence, start by focusing on your strengths and celebrating small victories. Avoid negative self-talk and surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your flaws and quirks. They make you unique and unforgettable. The next time you walk into a room, hold your head high, make eye contact, and smile. This genuine confidence will not only attract him, but keep him addicted to your presence. Confidence also signals self-respect and self-love, qualities that are incredibly appealing. By radiating confidence, you invite him to see you through a lens of admiration and desire. 2. Mastering the art of listening. Ever noticed how some people seem to have a magical way of making others feel heard and valued? Listening is an art. When you truly listen to someone, it shows that you care about their thoughts and feelings. To master this, practice active listening. Nod, make eye contact, and respond thoughtfully. Avoid interrupting or planning your response while they're talking. Reflect on what they've said before offering your opinion. This skill not only deepens your connection, but also builds trust and intimacy. Show genuine curiosity about his passions, dreams, and fears. When he feels understood and valued, he'll be irresistibly drawn to you. By making him feel important and cherished through your attentive listening, you create a bond that's hard to break. 3. The magic of surprise and mystery. How can surprise and mystery keep the spark alive in a relationship? Humans are naturally curious creatures, and a touch of mystery can make you incredibly intriguing. Surprise him occasionally with thoughtful gestures or spontaneous plans. This doesn't mean playing games or being deceptive, but rather keeping some aspects of yourself intriguing and gradually revealing more over time. Share stories from your life that showcase different facets of your personality. Plan unexpected dates or leave little notes for him to find. This element of unpredictability keeps the relationship exciting and fresh. By maintaining an air of mystery, you ensure that he's always eager to learn more about you, keeping him hooked. 4. The importance of independence. Why is maintaining your independence crucial in a relationship? Independence is attractive because it shows that you have your own life, passions, and goals. It demonstrates that you are not entirely reliant on him for your happiness. Pursue your interests, spend time with friends, and continue to grow as an individual. This not only enriches your life, but also brings new energy and perspectives into the relationship. When he sees that you have your own fulfilling life, he'll be more drawn to you. Independence fosters mutual respect and admiration, making the time you spend together more meaningful. By being a strong, independent person, you encourage a healthy, balanced relationship where both partners can thrive. 5. The charm of authenticity. What makes authenticity so irresistible? Authenticity is about being true to yourself and showing your real personality. It's about embracing who you are and not pretending to be someone else to impress him. Authenticity fosters genuine connections and makes you relatable and trustworthy. Share your true thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Don't be afraid to show vulnerability. It can actually deepen your bond. When you are authentic, you attract people who appreciate and love you for who you really are. This genuine connection is the foundation of a lasting and addictive relationship. By being your true self, you create a space where he feels comfortable doing the same. 6. The power of positivity. How does a positive attitude make you more attractive? Positivity is infectious and can significantly impact those around you. A positive outlook on life makes you more enjoyable to be around and helps in overcoming challenges together. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on gratitude, practicing kindness, and finding joy in everyday moments. Share uplifting and encouraging words with him. Positivity doesn't mean ignoring problems, but rather approaching them with a solution-oriented mindset. When you bring positivity into the relationship, it creates a supportive and uplifting environment. This positive energy is addictive and will make him want to be around you more. By maintaining a positive attitude, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also strengthen your relationship. 7. The secret of emotional intelligence. Why is emotional intelligence key to building a strong connection? Emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing your own emotions, while also being empathetic towards others. It helps in navigating conflicts and building deeper connections. Practice empathy by putting yourself in his shoes and acknowledging his feelings. Communicate openly and honestly about your own emotions. Recognize and address any negative patterns in your reactions. By developing emotional intelligence, you create a safe space for both of you to express yourselves without fear of judgment. This leads to a stronger, more resilient relationship. Emotional intelligence allows you to connect on a deeper level, making him feel understood and valued, which is incredibly addictive. 8. The appeal of shared adventures. How do shared adventures strengthen your bond? Experiencing new things together creates lasting memories and strengthens your connection. Plan activities that both of you enjoy, whether it's traveling, hiking, cooking together, or trying out a new hobby. These shared experiences foster teamwork and bring excitement into the relationship. They also provide opportunities to learn more about each other in different settings. By creating a collection of shared adventures, you build a treasure trove of memories that continually draw you closer. These moments of joy and discovery make the relationship more dynamic and engaging. 9. The significance of respect. Why is respect fundamental in any relationship? Respect is the foundation of a healthy and lasting relationship. It involves acknowledging each other's boundaries, opinions, and individuality. Show respect by actively listening, valuing his perspectives, and being considerate of his feelings. Avoid criticizing or belittling him, even in disagreements. Instead, communicate your concerns calmly and constructively. Respect also means supporting his goals and dreams and encouraging his growth. When he feels respected, he is more likely to reciprocate and build a relationship based on mutual admiration and trust. This mutual respect creates a safe and nurturing environment where love can thrive, making him feel deeply connected to you. 10. The joy of laughter. How does laughter enhance your relationship? Laughter is a powerful bonding tool that can lighten any mood and bring joy into your relationship. Share jokes, watch comedies, and find humor in everyday situations. Laughter reduces stress, increases happiness, and strengthens emotional connections. It creates a sense of camaraderie and makes your time together enjoyable. Don't take everything too seriously. Sometimes the best way to handle challenges is with a good laugh. By incorporating humor into your relationship, you build a foundation of joy and positivity that keeps him looking forward to your time together. The ability to laugh together creates a joyful and addictive bond that enhances your connection. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love,